What is good, my guys and girls of YouTube? It's your boy Justin Omoi, and here today I want to talk to you guys and girls about taking a step up from just usual songs and more into the realm of creating an album or EP or anything of a bigger project. An album is going to be something that's basically compiled of your songs, of course, but it would usually center around a theme, a style of a topic in your mind. A main topic. Whether it be an album you want to make just to show who you are, like Infinite, I believe that was the one for Eminem's, just talking about his life and the styles he does and just things he do. Or you can make an album about selling cocaine, like Cocaine Cowboy, something like a dope boy. I think that was French Montana. I mean, don't smack me if I'm wrong. Or you could do things like Lil Uzi's Love Is Rage. It's talking about most of the time is being lit, but and being successful, but also about the love is rage part. Just think about it. So yeah, albums is gonna have a theme. If you want to make an album, you should really make a theme with the album, because that's the literature part of creating art, creating an album. Album similar to a story or a book or a manga, a novel, a movie, anything, music. So well, it is. So yeah, what is the album version of a painting? So I'm gonna make an example because I have a thought of an album in my process that I want to do. I'm not sure if I'm gonna push that topic out yet, but I have a thought of album where it comes through my own eyes of taking risk, betting, like the casino thing I was talking about earlier, but also just correlating these type of topics into my album. Like taking risks, taking bets, trying to understand people, trying to understand, just how things work out. Trying to be, the what's that word? The crazy people that know it all. The world is gonna end. I don't know. I got a lot of thoughts in mind, so don't judge me. Once you understand your theme, your topic to your album, next you would want to write, how would I break this down into a story mode or essay-wise? Have it build up, have songs that would fit the style, fit the time, fit the place for it. How do I do this? And that's all, you breaking down what you want. Literally, you could free write about this album you want in your mind. I could be like, your boy Justin Omoi, taking risk. I want to understand people. I just want to be able to take risk and win stuff. If I lose, it's okay. I'll just get back up. Whole bunch of things like that. I could write. And then I could think about it, be like, all right, cool. The song, I could, where I say I could just get back up. I could think of a title name for that song, or think of a way to emulate that little free writing section into a song. If I fall down, I'ma get back up. Yeah, yeah, I don't know. But for real, that could be the song, a title of the song, and just basically create all those songs or titles so you can have a good, better brainstorm, that's the word I was trying to think of, for what you could compile into the album. And basically from there you're going good. You just get the title, break down the title now into how could I make this song generate around this title into another essay. So it's like title, when I get back down, or when I fall down, I'm gonna get back up. Essay of this song could compile of, paragraph 1, is getting down, coming back up, me taking the shot and losing the shot, or me feeling like I'm not there, me feeling like I lost. That's the I'm down part. Get back up could be the chorus, of course. When I fall down, I could get back up. Yeah, fa la 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 la, pockets money in the trunk. Then the second verse could be something along the lines of, okay, I fell down, now let me start getting my ass back up. That's where I could write second verse about, I don't want to say any lines before I make myself sound any more stupid, but you get my gist. Second verse, blah blah blah, I could create a chorus, again, the same thing, add in a bridge, and then third verse, I'm back up, yeah, money from the trunk, I got it, I feel luck, no love, running through this mud, I don't know, fuck. Growing lettuce and the weed in the bunch. I am growing lettuce though. So do that. Basically work your way into scraping these titles from the main topic of the album And once you get that, just create, compile, and eventually you'll have a good, substantial, strong, beefy, healthy thought of an album. And then you can, you know, make the beat or get beats from people, work on it, write your lyrics, etc, etc, etc. Oh, one last thing, don't forget about literature devices. You know, I made a bunch of videos and then I stopped making them because, I don't know. Thumbs up the video if you like it. Subscribe to your boy Justin Omoi. And with that being said, peace. I'll see y'all on the next one.